Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, my name is Tanushree and I am pursuing my first year B in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Vidhyanagar, and I am in the Department of Basic Science and I am currently student of Section DO, and my library ID is 23I1707, and the subject of today is waste management, and the course code is BECTK 105F. Faculty is Ramya P, who is working in the Department of Electronics and Communication. So today's topic is going to be a solid waste management system. So, which are the concepts we are going to study today is Introduction to Solid Waste Management and the uses of solid waste management, and futures of solid waste management, types of solid waste management, and for examples of solid waste management. So first, we are going to study about waste. So, solid waste management. What is solid waste management? It is mainly refers to the complete of collecting, treating, disposal of the solid waste, and in waste management process, the waste are collected from the different sources like disposals of collections and transportation, treatments, and disposal of wastes. So next, uses of solid waste management system. For safe disposal waste and to reduce environmental pollution and avoid any health hazards that is main cause, landfills are most common method of disposing solid waste. The beneficial use of solid waste keeps methods and out of landfills and reduces the amount of raw materials used in construction and other industries. It can also generate profits of participating organization to reduce and disposal costs. So, waste management system is a stimulates process that organization use to dispose of reduce the private waste. So next, what is futures of solid waste management? Every waste generation shall separate waste and store separately and hand over the municipal waste to the waste pickups. And Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Changes shall constitute a general monitoring committee of monitoring and review every year. A typical waste management system comprises collection, transport, treatments, processing, and finalization and reduces. Various types of waste can be collected separately. So, there are many types of solid waste management. So, we are having few of them. The first one is waste generation. So, waste storage, waste collection, transport and collection, processing, recovery and disposal. Then, at last, water waste disposal. So, first let's study about waste generation. So, waste generation is nothing but we includes all the materials decays whether they are not later recycled or disposed in the landfill. Waste may be generated during the extraction of raw materials, the processing of raw materials into intermediate and final products, the consumption of final products and other human activities, residual recycle of reduce, and at the place of generation are excused. So next we are going to study about waste storage. Waste storage is nothing but where we store the waste in a particular place and we again transport it to the larger area. So these are the temporary holding of waste pending treatment or disposal. Then storage method includes containers, waste and waste pillows, tanks and surface impoundments. So help keep the environment clean and but it also makes the community overall health and standard health. With waste being properly disposed of, our environment is cleaner, meaning there are fewer risks and hazards around and affects us. So next we are going to study about the waste collection. We collect the waste from the different transports in the vehicles and in the dumped areas. So many types of waste collections. Waste collection is a part of a process of waste management. It is the transfer of the solid waste from the pointer to waste use, the disposal to point treatment or a landfill. The most important reason for a waste collection is the protection of the environment and the health of the population. So, rubbish and waste can cause air and water pollution. Rotting garbage is also known for harmful produce gases that mix the air and can cause breathing problems in the people. So, transfer and the transport. Transfer generally refers to something changing possession, especially and loss. The corporation is going to the transfer to quit the child company. Transfer refers to the slipping of physical item or a person. A bullet-proof vehicle is used to transport the president. A transfer allows the rider of the public transportation vehicle who pays for a single tip fare to continue the trip of another bus or a train. So next, processing. Processing is nothing but we collect the waste, we store the waste, then we again transfer the waste to the larger area. By transferring, what are the process we are going to do, we are going to study here. The processing of the waste helps in the achieving of the best possible benefit from every functional element of the solid waste management system, and therefore the required proper solutions, techniques and equipment for every solution waste processing techniques. A solid waste processing facility is an operation that changes the chemical and the physical or a biological properties of a solid waste. It is easier to dispose or a recovery or resources and transfer solid waste material, excluding the transportation of solid waste. So next, recovery and recycle. Reuse or recycle. There we can study about the recycling of the material which the waste which are able to recycle and which are not used to recycle. So yeah, recycling is the recovery of reuse of material from waste. Solid waste recycle refers to the reuse manufactured goods from which resources such as steel, copper or plastics can be recovered or reused. So these are the materials which can be reused. So next, recycling. Turning waste into a new substance or a product, therefore reducing the amount of raw materials needed. Then recovery. What do you mean by recovery? Recovery is nothing but it includes the anaerobic digestion, initiation with energy, recovery, gasification and pyrolysis that produce energy and material from waste. So waste disposal. The collecting or sorting treatment of waste, well as the storage, tipping above the underground, the transportation above the necessity of the upward known as waste, and it is the removing disintegrates, recycling, and these are the products used in the agriculture of domestic and also the industrial waste. So thank you guys. If you like the video, please like, share and comment it. Thank you.